Our story begins with a young entrepreneur on the verge of a life-changing decision. With a seed of capital in their hand, it's not much, but it's a start. They are ready to embark on the journey of wealth creation. They know the Moroccan adage, Lfloss katjib lflouss, that money attracts money. And with this wisdom in mind, they take the first step. Investing their capital wisely, they begin to see their wealth grow, slowly but surely. Each step on this journey brings new challenges, but armed with hard work, perseverance, and strategic planning, they overcome each one. Their money, wisely managed, opens doors to new opportunities. It starts a cycle of success and prosperity that fuels their entrepreneurial spirit. Watch as they follow the path of fortune, illuminating how wise investment and financial planning can turn small beginnings into overwhelming success. This is an inspirational journey that shows money wisely used attracts more money and prosperity.